I was asked to do Health and Happiness or tell a shrimp boat story or something, and I'm going to try and tie all this together. This is the first time I've had a chance to really address y'all since Billy Simmons passed. And what comes to mind for me is how important Shem Creek and Billy Simmons was to all of us, how important Shem Creek is to Mount Pleasant, and things of all that nature. And we've got a lot of new faces, and I can tell a couple of stories. One, I have this story about when I caught this man sleeping on my boat, and most of y'all have heard that, but there's a lot of new faces, and maybe we'll pass that on to another time, and I'll get up and tell it, and you'll just have to suffer through if you already heard it once. But the other one is that I kind of want to give you a little background on, I started out, but really a lot of it's me and some of it's Billy, so just bear with me. This picture right here, in the background that you cannot see, is the Sullivan's Island Causeway. This is where Simmons Seafood was. This is where it started. This is where, before Shem Creek fired off with all of the shrimp boats, this is where they unloaded their shrimp. And Hugh Simmons, Billy's daddy, owned this dock and the land where the Simmons Seafood the retail market was. It's now condos. But this is my father's houseboat. And he and Ozzie Hamlin had a habit of going up every weekend and tying up the capers, and they would tie these boats together. This was a government boat that he got out of a surplus out of World War II. It had a little windshield on the front, and it had a little windshield on the back, and then he built a plywood cabin on it, and this was called the Bonanza.